Ndewo ndị ọma ndị ọma. Kedu ka unu mere? Hello beautiful people, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning a second part of the Igbo alphabets. Are you ready? Okay, so last time we learned some of the Igbo alphabets. A, B, Ch, D, E, F, G, B, R, Gui, He, I, E. Today we'll start from the letter after E. As usual, you'll see the letter first, then hear the sound, and you also hear some words that have the sound, both in Igbo and in English. That is, if such sound exists in English language. All right, Kani Bido, let's get started. J, J, jaw, jide, jet, jaw, jide, jet, J, J, K, K, ko, kedo, kite, ko, kedo, kite, P, P, bo, buche, bo, buche. Okay, there is no P sound in English, so we're just going to leave out the English word. All right, so we'll go to the next one. Kwe, kwe, kwose, kupe, queen, kwose, kupe, queen, kwe, kwe, le, le, lo, lota, life, lo, lota, life, me, mmiri, mụọ, map, mmiri, mụọ, map, me, nne, nne, ngozi, now, nne, ngozi, now, nne, nge, nge, ṅụọ, ṅomie, ṅụọ, ṅomie, nge, nge, nwi, nwi, nwa, nwoke, nwa, nwoke, nwi, nyi, nyi, nye, nyọ, nye, nyọ, nyi, o, oge, olu, orange, oge, olu, orange, o, ọ, ọkpa, ọkụkọ, organ, ọkpa, ọkụkọ, organ, ọ. Now, you may have noticed that some of the letters are similar. We have ne and nge. Ne, nge. Ne is just N, no dots, but nge has a dot on top. So you have to be careful while writing this alphabet so you don't mistake one for the other. Another one is O. O has no dots, but O has a dot under. Again, you have to be careful while writing them because if you put the dots when you're not supposed to, it becomes a totally different word. All right? Okay. I think we'll stop today's lessons here. Ngwa kọrọ onwe gị aka. Clap for yourself. Igbalịala. Well done. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and also share. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. And again, don't forget to keep practicing. Till next time. Bye.